Fullerton Tower, Mayday, 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 making emergency landing next to the train. Left on Alpha over to Victor.
45 Victor, remain this frequency. Turn left, you're going back to park?
Negative, we're going back to 24.
45 Victor, runway 24 taxi via Alpha, remain this frequency.
24 via Alpha, remain on this frequency, 45 Victor. Fullerton Tower, Mooney 90245 Victor, we would like to pick up VFR's life following for a practice approach into Riverside, and we're holding short of 24 at Alpha.
Sierra 7 Delta Golf, turn right 1 able, runway 24 taxi via Bravo.
Open level, at Echo and taxi to 4 via Bravo,
Mooney 90245 Victor, on departure, turn left heading 120, SoCal 125.35, squawk 0213.
On departure, turn left heading 120, touch SoCal 125.35, and squawk 0213, Mooney 45 Victor.
Mooney 45 Victor, back is correct, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
24 clear for takeoff, Mooney 45 Victor.
Mooney 45 Victor, contact SoCal, have a good flight.
Over to SoCal, thank you so much, Mooney 45 Victor. Fullerton Tower, Mooney 90245 Victor, we are in the left base for 24, experiencing some engine roughness.
90245 Victor, Fullerton Tower, do you require any assistance in our left base, runway 24 for the land?
Left base clear to land, and we do not require assistance at this time, 45 Victor.
24 Charlie Victor, Fullerton Tower, this is Charlie, altimeter 3010, wind calm, straight in number 2, follow Mooney left base, runway 24 for the land. 45 Victor, just verify you got the airport.
Fullerton Tower, Mayday, 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 making emergency landing next to the train.
4 Charlie Victor, just maintain your altitude and go around, we got an aircraft incident.
We're going around, 4 Charlie Victor.
45 Victor, Fullerton Tower.
Fullerton Tower, not a Paulino, we just saw that crash, looks like he's right in front of the fence just past the train track, and it looks like people are running out to help.
4 Charlie Victor, thanks. Just started climbing, go around. Thanks for the update. Airport 132 or 10, Fullerton ground. Airport 2, we have an aircraft down by the railroad tracks, a half mile east of the airport.